Because everything is establishing the new era. You know that everything is useless and benefits we can get for easily. But in the old time, every person was with the difficulties. Were not good management and good facilities. They were gone for the 2 kilometers by pedestrian. But now everything is management and good for us to establishing that we go and soon reach.
You said that there are a lot of people that go away from the hospital. You know that those people who walk, they will be healthy and they will be more fit than those who go through the travels, vehicles, go through the bikes, go through the cars, cycles, anywhere. You know that nowadays there are a lot of people they are getting ill due to the environment.
It is depend on the person, because if you use the good proper foods, that it is not unhealthy for you. Because if you use the chemical, every chemical was established in the modern time. In the modern time.
You are not supposed to say like that when I am talking
So who is
about
supposed to be?
You are not supposed to say like that. Na? The thing is that it depends on the person as well. Na?
He is
about the person as
talking
well.
about the health.
Just a minute, I also want to ask.
Please.
Yes, but I can ask. It's depend on the person as well. When I'm talking about the old era, so you know that the peaceful environment are over there. You know that the communication skills are over there. When the two person are fighting over there, now 2 or 3 days back they will consult it and then they resolve the matter of
It's
it.
also happening in this era. Okay.
It's not like that. It's not
No,
like
it's
that.
If
Okay.
we are just a minute, if we are creating peace, so it will be peace. And if we want to fight, so we will fight.
Now
So-
you are
It's
supposed to say
simple.
like that. You are supposed to say like that that the time period are lacking of decreasing of the fighting. You are not supposed to say like that. When the time the old ages, you know that you do not had lots of time for the fighting. You have so much time to do the work, so you have to wind up the fight and you have to resolve the matter with their own. Now the time you have lots of time for the wastage of the phone and the communication and the lots of garbage communication. So you have to increase the fighting in these era. You have to take the good get the good positive point on these.
First of all, we don't have too much time to okay, we have to pray 5 times in a day, okay, so and we have too much work to do. And nowadays we are not wasting our time. If we have social media, if we have anything nowadays, okay, in the old era there are no anything about like that. Okay. Now we have social media, we have internet, we have everything. So we have to search positive things. We have to do what we want. Okay.
Okay, on that time you have also these things.
No,
you have
at that time we don't have social media.
No, you don't have social media.
Do you know the impact of social media? Do you know the impact of social media? There are a lot of impact of social media. You are losing your eyesight, you are losing your eyesight, you are losing your memory, you are wasting your money in the internet package, there are a lot of things. And one of the main things that you are losing is time. You know
No,
the importance of time. Time is very precious for each and everyone. If you are not control of time,
I use Wi-Fi of
if you are not control of time, you don't.
I use Wi-Fi of another
It's
house.
called cheating. It's called cheating.
It's okay,
It's
so
called cheating.
I am
It's called
no,
cheating.
so
Now you
I am
are
not
talking
wasting my
about
money.
now you are talking
Okay,
about the
I am not
cheating in
wasting
these
my money,
areas.
and I
Now
use
you are
internet.
talking about the now you are talking about the cheating on these areas.
Yeah, now
Okay,
the-
but now I am not wasting my money.
No, but you are wasting the another
In
money.
education
na?
system, in
You are
education
wasting
system,
the
you
another
can
money.
They have, you know what,
You
they
did
have
not-
fixed,
you
they
did
have
not
fixed
waste
this,
your time,
they
you
have
have
fixed
waste
this.
your,
In education, you can see that there are a lot of people that are not learning as hard work as they did in the past. There are a lot of
There are
people.
also,
There are a lot of
I'm doing
people
hard
that.
work here, I'm doing hard work here.
There are a lot of people that
Are you
cheat.
watching?
There are a lot of people that are cheating and they are passing the exams, and you can see that if you are going to CSS or any we can say the commission or any if you don't
Depends on the person.
if you don't give the money, if you don't give the money, you can't qualify that test or that interview. If you give the money, then in past there will be if you have talent, if you have we can say that and intelligence, you can qualify it easily. But nowadays if you give the money, then if you have don't mind, if you don't have knowledge, if you don't know the basic things of the test, but you can qualify the test, but to give the money. But then now in old there are lot of scientists in the old but you can you
Why
tell
not?
can you tell me the now anyone scientist
Yes,
can
sir.
you
Yes.
The owner of Tesla company. The owner of Tesla company.
Yes.
Every in the new era, in the modern
The
era,
owner of
everything
Tesla
is
company.
growing fast.
Abdul Qadir Khan.
Abdul Kalam was in both was scientists.
But there
Exactly.
anyone I can tell you that a lot of scientists they came in the old era and they
No,
old era
they have died.
and they
They
built
have died, but
and they
now
built
Okay,
they
but
built
that
their
point, okay,
principles.
they will maintain the basic point. The old era
Now,
meeting the
now,
basic, but
now they are
people
following
follow it.
they are following these
Even
words.
Venezuela,
They are following these words and now they are making.
Siva said that the new area made the thing. So now you know that then he will follow the basic thing.
They are collecting
They will-
these points, their
Yes.
points. Then they are making their points.
Your-
Okay, you know that they collecting basic things.
Yeah.
Okay, but now they are growing up.
So,
Okay,
we-
now they are growing up.
The old area provided. The old area will provide
Listen.
this thing now.
In old era they are told the way, but now they are following the way. Who
They-
told the
they
way?
are-
you know
They are
that
told the
is-
way that you should go
listen,
step by
listen.
step. But now they are following the step by step and they are growing.
Listen, what they did scientists in the only in our earth. Okay, but now scientific is growing in the upper.
He will
You know
update
that
these
how?
things,
You
but
know that how
the
it is
basic
going
thing-
on. You know that how it is going
The
on.
basic thing they provided, he will provide the old area. Now
Yeah.
you will.
No.
Now
They are
creating-
they are now thinking that.
They are creating too much things by the new era. Okay,
Okay,
they are not
okay.
getting the from the old era. In old era there were no things.
Okay,
nothing.
what was in the old
They
era?
were they're not they were not have any airplane. They not have any vehicles. They not have anything. Okay, but nowadays it is creating too much better and better and better.
Okay.
You said that airplane. Do you know that if a family is going in airplane, if their vehicle is dead,
So it's okay.
then
It's all upon.
then you will be dying. It's no chance that you will be alive.
So-
but there are a lot of benefits
No, no.
in the old
Okay,
era.
okay, listen
You
to
are
me.
going by
Listen
cycle,
to me.
you are going by cycle, you are going by your walk. You will be healthy than that.
Listen to
now
me
era.
a little bit. Listen to me. If you are standing here and you have heart attack, so what will you do? And you will die.
But it's
So,
more,
that is-
more,
that-
more.
that will occur
Now there are more
at the
chances.
time.
Now more chances now are to heart attack. But in past there will be no chance that is now.
No. There are, you know what? There are no that much medical. That's why they don't have to know that it is hard.
There
heart
were
attack or any other.
there were no medicine, but there will be there was.
There are no medicine.
That-
But
Yeah,
they
let
have,
me-
but they have,
listen.
but they have herbal medicine. They have
Yeah.
taken him. He will.
But they are not
do
that.
this.
But they are not that much.
Not that much, but they have their medicine in their home. They have their medical thing.
But in the
that-
past,
that's
there
called-
were no-
That's called a-
But as compared to now, they were not.
Now the time he will follow these things as well.
No, not that.
Now.
They are creating too much
Now
many
you will
chemicals.
go-
You
will
said
go-
that there were
you
no
will go
medicines
here
in
and
the
you will
past.
see the herbal
You
medicine.
said that there will be no medicine in past.
As compared to here, as compared to now.
As compared to now. Yeah, okay. Then if you know that there now there's a lot of problems as compared to past era, that's why they created the lot.
First of all,
You know that now you know that now pandemic era coronavirus, that is the main reason of the now era.
No, before-
You know,
before
in
that
past
era, there
era, in
were
past
too much-
era, there no one
Before
made
that
virus.
era, there were too much like bird flu, and before that there was too much pandemics. There were too much pandemics.
Can you tell me
And
what
they-
pandemic in the past
I
era?
don't know the actual names. I don't know the actual names.
There not be there will not be there were no any pandemic era like
There were too
But
much
he will
know
find
that now.
everything on the basis of herbal medicine. He will find on these things now.
And-
He will use it now.
So we are
And
also
when you talk about
using, we are
the
also using medicals.
so
Yes,
so
because
the
it
basic
is
thing
going
that
in
the basic
modern
thing
and new.
when you talking about the COVID-19, so you know that the medicine he will use it that the past time they will use it in a different medicine. So the basic things are
First
over
of all,
there
you
now.
can-
Old era they
listen-
are used it in the
listen-
modern area now.
Listen
So
to me,
old area is
malaria-
important now.
Malaria and hangovirus are
Yes.
old
Old.
diseases.
Okay.
But what they made about the malaria and
So they will find it now. They will vaccinate it.
So we are also fighting.
They are part-
They are also fighting it.
He will
They are
use
part-
it, they will use it in the
But
We
medicine.
are also fighting it
They
here.
have created
So you are
malaria
the
and dengue virus. But what they made vaccine and about the dengue virus and malaria.
Listen.
Nothing.
If you said the dengue virus and if they don't tell us that that is the reason of malaria and dengue virus.
Yes.
But now that
It is
let me complete. If they don't know the reason, then what is the reason of that disease? What is the reason of that disease?
That is a new disease.
If they didn't tell us, then how they will be take medicine and how they will be provide
But
the
that is a
medicine.
new-
It is work of the scientific. You are saying that all the scientists was very intelligent and which scientists are following on the old times.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yes, yes,
How
yes,
you can
yes,
say-
yes.
When
Newton's law,
listen,
Newton's
let me
law
complete.
until are following.
Let me complete my
He just said that apple is now growing on my
Oh, that is the basic thing. You know, nowadays people are making fun, but it was the thing. It was the thing that people scientists created, but now they are almost. I think that in all over the world they are following the Newton's three laws.
It is misconception.
Okay, when you
How
say
you
that,
can
when you say that, when you say like that, okay.
It's your mistake that you don't believe, but whole world believe that it's true and it is.
Okay.
I don't believe. You can prove.
You
That
can
how
prove
they
it.
believe.
I have-
Yeah, no. There are a lot of books written in Newton.
Yes, I have read.
I have read.
About the scientific.
It means you are saying that scientists they prove
They
that
don't follow the modern time and modern scientifics.
there's a
They
huge difference.
are creating.
There is a huge difference in the older and the past era.
Modern era follow these basic things, na? They are following the basic fundamental right. They are follow it, na? When you see that over there, they are follow these
Because
things and have to-
every person grow day by day.
we know.
And numbering and basics. Okay. They made the basic things.
Okay.
They didn't make a lot of things.
But then if they listen,
If you are saying
if they
that-
don't make the basic, then they how will they grow?
Oh. Basic is important.
We will know it.
So you know that we are important now. Okay, okay.
What you ask when you were child? You know that how I grew.
When I'm child,
When you
I
are
learn these
you know
things.
that how
When
I
I'm
grow.
child, I learn these in the basic era of this, and we
No.
have to follow
I
or
am-
change it
I
by
am-
day by day.
I am talking
When
about that how you
don't know,
grew.
when I don't know the basic of fundamental things of the old
You
era,
can't do
so I did
anything.
not do
Yes,
anything in the modern
Then
era.
how you can say
Everyone,
that
if you don't
modern time
know the
is
basic
modern
things,
time.
if you don't know the basic things of the grammar, you can't talk.
I
I
can
can
talk. You know why?
You are not going to say like that.
You little bit you know the basic things.
I can talk. You know how? If I have environment of talking,
Yeah.
okay, so I can talk without grammar. I can talk without
But
grammar.
you are,
I have environment.
but your mother
I-
tongue is Urdu. But your
No,
mother
I
tongue is
did not-
Urdu.
Depend on the society. He is saying that we can't talk without the grammar and without the basic things. If we live the good society, then we can learn everything.
You have to learn. You have learned in old area. You have to learn the basic thing, or you have to learn the good thing in the old area. Now you have to follow it in the modern era.
But in
now.
old era,
When I was not in the old area because I am
The parents are
I am present in the
So the
in the
parents are
modern
become on
time.
the old area. Na? So our parents are become on the old area. Now he will in the modern era. Na?
Because they didn't something about their self that how they will tell me that we did something in
He
the
will
old
learn.
area.
He was learned in the old era. Now he will change it in the old
Only,
era in the modern
only
era.
I know that they tell in the story that we did something about the old area, but now they told me that what.
Yes.
You know what? In this era, okay, we have too much big buildings and tall buildings, and we have many facilities. If we have to go any other side, so we will just book a ride or a bike or a drive, okay, or we have our own vehicle. So we will travel. If we have about 8 to 900 kilometers, so we will travel it in a day, okay. But in old era, they have only animals, okay, and they ride on it, and they make about 3 to 4 days to and complete the route.
If you are said that there is too many buildings and they are providing a good quality of product over
Yes,
here,
sir.
but you are not supposed to say like that. But you see that if the tall buildings are over there, you didn't provide a good quality of product. You didn't take the good product Just like meat, just like milk.
It's
you
just,
didn't
it's
like
just a
other
building,
type of
but they don't provide the
Good
inside
quality of it.
food quality, and they will be provided
They will not
bad
provide
things in you.
good
But
atmosphere.
They are
No.
not providing. No. There are too much hygiene things. Okay, at that time there were no that much hygiene. But nowadays there are in everywhere we have hygienic things. Okay.
Do you know
And
that-
we are eating healthy foods?
if they are giving you, they are providing you food. Do you know that from which oil they we cook from that?
It's okay.
Do you know that which groceries they use?
Go at home.
If you are going to,
not.
if you are going to order a meat, they
If
will
you don't want
they
to
will
eat
provide
outside.
another
If
meat
you
there.
don't want to eat outside, so do make at your home and eat it. It's not the old era or new era. Okay. So I want to say that in old era we are manufacturing and making many good things, and we are creating our experiments.
Okay, if you are said that they are using, you are using in a modern era, you are using a good, you will grow by your food by yourself. So you know that if you grow at home, you will see that you are using a artificial seed. You will, the thing is
No,
that
I am not saying that grow it. and
no, not the
make
grow.
it at
You
home.
make it. You make it.
Food
So you
make it.
have to buy the artificial plant or product.
We
you
also
use
have
in
the
modern
lands and
era.
fields. We also have the lands and fields
So
to
they are
grow it.
so the things that this the fields are growing by the artificial plant or artificial food provided to you.
No.
They
It's
have
not
provided so
happening.
many things
It's
in
not
the
happening.
artificial plate.
It's not.
In our area, we are using
We also have natural fertilizers which we are making, not artificial.
but not the natural seed. But there is no natural feeder over there.
In old era, the people they were very healthy and they were very strong. But now we can see that
And you know,
in a week, if in a week thing, I think that people must go hospital in one day because he don't feel that I am feeling it. He will be ill in a week and he will go to take medicine and it will be harmful for his health. Because chemicals are the damage on our health.
you know that in the modern time, which person was fall in the disease, that everything was not established in that time. Okay, that when he carry on the hospital any person that they were going pages by pages by their legs. That because you have fallen in the disease, you have a lost fever. That you are serious that every hospitals and dispensaries were not closed their village in their neighborhoods. That they were become confused. And now everywhere in every interior villages there are dispensaries and everything is established, so that our population is growing very fast. And in the modern time, they were every population in the disease because malaria and dengue virus was in the standard. But every person was bad in the end. They
Do
were
you know
not.
that malaria vaccine? Who created the malaria vaccine? So do you know?
No, where is malaria vaccine?
In
They didn't create.
In 1935, I don't know the scientist's name, who created the vaccinated. After
No,
that,
but
they
but it
vaccinated
didn't
others.
affect. But it
there
didn't
is some
affect every
vaccine
human.
They give the sample. After that, they qualify that sample. Then they make that vaccine.
Only
So now you tell me where is that?
Listen, only scientific created this sample, but didn't vaccine. And vaccine didn't affect on the human, in the people.
You are
So
said
that
that
till today.
Okay, you are said that you have to follow the new medicine, or you are said that they are damaging or they are injured on the different types of diseases. You have to give that. So now the time you didn't see that there is no era in nearby, in modern area, you didn't see the hospitals are over there. There is so far for the hospital, there is so far the medicine there are, there is so far the schools are over there. You have to see that.
If you are going to listen. If somebody in a city, if somebody has emergency and he or she has the ambulance, but he is going to the hospital, but there will be traffic then.
That because you know that every
That is the major
No,
reason.
it is not better because you know that where place is SP stand, okay, that he will take side the ambulance because it is emergency.
No, nobody give you the side. I explained. I have explained.
When ambulance is the viral, that every person give place for the ambulance.
No, nobody gives them.
I have seen a lot of them.
I was traveling I think few months